took a flight through aurora skies. Honestly, I didn't think about how we didn't say goodbye. Just see you very soon. Thank you, Liam Angeles, for the 10 stars. It hurts to be something, it's worse to be nothing with you. So I called you for 16 days, and I should get a cigarette. It hurts to be something, it's worse to be nothing with you. I've done the math, there's no solution, we'll never last. Why can't I let go of this? So I broke my promise. I called you last night. I shouldn't have, I wouldn't have, if it weren't for the sight of a boy who looked just like you standing out on Avenue. It hurts to be something, it's worse to be nothing with you.
Si Luffy ba kumanta yan?
Luffy.
Luffy? Sino nga kumanta yan?
Leivey. Luffy.
Ito yung may nag-comment kasi, I love Luffy, sabi niya. Love.
Yun kasi yung spelling, pero Leivey po ang pronunciation.
Nge.
Leivey, pero L-A-F.
Ano tawag mo sa bracket, okay? So, pag sinabi mong wallet, wale.
Wala kasi wala.
Bakit mo sinabing buffet? So, tawag mo sa wallet, wale. Pag sinabing jacket, jacket.
Honestly, I didn't think about how we didn't say goodbye. Just see you at the sada very soon. Thank you, Koy Slow, for the 100 stars. Thank you so much. Good night po, Liam Angeles.
Tuta is watching.
Tuta. Tuta, umuwi ka na, Tuta. Tuta, umuwi ka na. Ay, nako talaga. I love Leivey. Yes, we all love Leivey. Let's all say we love Leivey in unison. Ano pa ba yung favorite song ko? I'm in a reckless fever, love struck girl like teaser. Ha?
Wala kang blush on.
Thought I'd never be her. Quite the job you've done on me, sir. Chantik. Terry, Malam Chantik. Terry Makas.
Magandang daw. Maganda. She's sweet.
Terry Makasi Malam.
Tadi malam. Ay, ano?
Tadi Malam.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Do I look like Momo? Mama, mabali na kagpakita ti ko ah. Picture ni Momo. Kumama violate. Bruh. Took a flight through aurora skies. Honestly, I didn't think about how we didn't say goodbye. Just
class mo. Send mo na lang na star ka.
Send mo na lang po ng star. Godofredo Abril. Pero maraming salamat pa rin po. Bang, bang, bang! Bang, bang, bang! Hindi po ako nag-ML. Ay, ma! Doon po pala sa school, mami. Para sa intrams po ata tawag doon. Pinasasali po kami yung mga walang sport. Doon sa mga merong basketball, babae lalaki, merong volleyball, may badminton, may table tennis, merong scrabble, merong chess. Tas merong pa yung isa?
Kung saan mo gusto sumama?
Gusto ko nga po mag-volleyball kasi sabi ko po, na?
Ito natin kasi
Paya.
hindi nagsamali akti volleyball ate ropak na tamaan. Nagdara di ropak.
Kahit ko ag-volleyball. No nga volleyball, badminton, kasjay mat lang. O tama, anak ti ko ah.
Haan?
Hanak mo nakalal, NG. Pero kung sasabihin natin, kung saan ako mas magaling ako mas sa badminton. Naglalaro nga po kami ng badminton nung nakaraan.
Ay, so nang, pinatugtong mo tayo. Nagdamatan tugtong makalay ka. Ada din nag-chat kanya, nagmayat ka na boses mo kaya nakalimang mo. Pero nakayat nga, pa siya, babain ka niya.
Honestly, I didn't. Scary? I look scary?
Data ni Boss B, nakita.
So? As in? Legit?
Nakita dinagan na tapos naawan mo lang. Tension ka kiti, maganda ko.
Nagpapaalas.
Balik pa rin sa...
Bakit? Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo. Iyo ako palagi.
Hindi pa patugtog mo tayo, nagmamayat adib eh. Dapay Korean song, hindi nga ng nagmamayat. Kensyon naman. Ang kang nga kota, bandog songo dito, sumanao ka. Kensyon naman tayo suda.
I am Ganda pala.